In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. First of all, launch your keyboard and hit Clipboard at the top of it. Now activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now it's time to use it. You need to begin by copying or cutting any text. And when you're ready, you can paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard. If you can't see it now, use this icon at the top left corner and click on it here. And to paste anything you just copied, you need to click on it here. Quick disclaimer though, if you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. Now, if you want to delete it, you can swipe it to the right or to the left, or you can hold it and click on the delete button in the pop-up. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!